Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a dark ash metallic paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes our 2-inch factory lift, our upgraded engine to our 6.2-liter V8 engine. We have heated front leather bucket seats as well as leather in the back of the vehicle, a power tailgate, a spray-on bedliner, our Google Assistant infotainment system with Google Apps integration. We have our forward collision alert, lane keep assist with departure warning, rear park assist, as well as much more. Moving into the front of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks. Below we have power mirrors, power windows, and our rear window lock. Some storage and our Bose speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our electronic parking brake, transfer case settings, tow mode, as well as drive mode select. We have all of our interior and exterior lighting just to the right. Power driver seat, finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our fully digital display cluster. You can see we can adjust our layout as well as our left and right side and lower gauges. Also have many more settings that we can go through. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have a paddle shifter up top, and behind the steering wheel, we actually have controls for our radio. Then we have our cruise on the front of the steering wheel, forward collision alert, and our heated steering wheel buttons. On the right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, and all of the controls for our display cluster information system. Just behind, we also have our paddle shifter up top and radio controls. Just below and to the right, we have our push-to-start ignition. Google Infotainment system. If we go into audio, it's going to load because it's our first time in it. And we can see we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, USB, as well as Google News and Google Podcasts. Have our Google Maps integration. Also have our phone, and it will also light up if we have a phone in our wireless charger. We have our cameras, a full 360-degree camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines, as well as rear hitch guidelines. Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Trailering Assist, we can also adjust our climate through the screen itself. We have our settings, a Wi-Fi hotspot, My Chevrolet podcast, as well as news. Hotkeys across the side. Also have a home and volume button below. Just below the screen, we have our lane keep assist with departure warning, parking sensors, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, downhill assist, and a way to take down all the windows at the same time. As mentioned before, push to start ignition just below, an integrated trailer brake controller, heated driver seat, and on the other side, our heated passenger seat. Also have a USB-C and USB input on the passenger side. Between the two heated seats, we have our dual zone climate control, sync, front and rear defrost, as well as AC, fan controls across the center. Below it, we have some storage, 2 cup holders, more storage, as well as our leather finish shifter, wireless charging pad just in the front of our leather finish center console with storage up top. On our key, we can see we have locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and our alarm system. Opening into the center console, we have a button on the front. We have our shallow storage that fell through, but we can remove that, and we have some deep storage, USB-C, USB, wireless charger, as well as a 120-volt plug. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black leather and is heated for our passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have all of the controls for our OnStar, dome lighting on door open, as well as our dome lighting on and off, our power sliding third rear window, and 3 universal garage door settings. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the hood, we have our 6.2-liter badging. Just before our door, our Z71 off-road badging. Front tire and rim is our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and an all-terrain tire. We have our paint match mirrors, as well as paint match door handles. Back of the vehicle, our Trail Boss badging, as well as our rear corner bumper step. Back of the vehicle, we can see we have our LT and Silverado in black, dual chrome exhaust tips, our trailer tow hitch, Power tailgate with our backup camera. Inside the bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, a 120 volt plug, as well as cable tie downs in both the front and the back, as well as our ShevTech spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders with some storage. Below that are 2 vents, a USB-C and USB for charging for our rear passengers. Moving to the seats in the back of the vehicle, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench seat finished in our jet black leather. In our center seat, we have our foldable console with 2 cup holders and storage, a power sliding third rear window. Lastly, we have storage pockets in the back of the outboard seats, as well as under-seat storage that is accessible by lifting up on the front of the seat. And we can see that it was a 60/40 fold-up split. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk-around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.